Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking to get that perfect steak, it is so much easier to do with this grill by GRiliFE. This sear is incredible. It's because of the high heat, it allows us to cook and get that maximum barbecue flavor without overcooking the inside of the steak, just the way that we like it. This charcoal grill, you can use it in the very frigid cold, and we find that we can still control the heat. We can add the hot by controlling this valve at the bottom above this catch where it catches the ash. I also love that you can add this smoky flavor of a mesquite wood or a maple wood to add to the flavor of your barbecue grill. It has a wonderful 500 square inches in cooking area, and there's 2 shelves as well, allowing us to cook for a large gathering and have a quick way to get all that food made. It also has this nice tray on the side to hang your utensils or put your seasonings, or as a tray to catch things. This is wonderful. It allows you to let the air vent as well by closing and from the top or opening it and getting that nice smoky flavor. This is the 2-tier barbecue grill that was so easy for us to set up and get using. We can see the temperature inside, we can roll it around, and it's portable. I like that it's super clean as well. We can catch all of that dirty debris, that ash, without it getting on our carport. So if you need a really easy grill to set up and improve your grilling game, I highly recommend this one, and we love it. But that's just my point of view.